Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Today I'm making a popular Japanese udon soup called Kitsune Udon. Now you may have heard or seen this noodle as fox udon. So why do we call this dish Kitsune Udon or Fox Udon? There are two theories. Some people say the tofu pouch in this dish has fox color, and others say in Japanese folktale, fox love this tofu pouch, so it's named after that. We don't know which theory is true, but the sure thing is this dish is very easy to make and delicious. Today I will show you how to make dashi from scratch. If you can find ingredients or want to take a shortcut, you can use dashi powder or this dashi packet. I put the link in the description box below. Now if you're vegetarian or vegan, you can still follow my recipe but skip the katsuobushi or bonito flakes and the fish cake. Now let's get started. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Japanese recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. またね!